Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to Our Irish Family. Today I want to discuss a little bit about my weight loss that I have been doing recently, and what system I'm using and my results for the first 5 weeks. So before I get into that, I just want to let you know that I do have an Instagram that I'd love if you follow me over there. Karen H Ireland is my Instagram name, so I'd love if you follow me there. And also I do have a blog. I do put out weekly blog posts, sometimes twice a week, and they are different content to what is here on YouTube. So if you want to check me out there, or irishfamily.com, and then you can also subscribe there as well. Over on the right hand side and in the right hand column there is a subscribe to this blog. You put in your email address, click confirm, it will send you an email. You go to your email account, click in the email that it has sent you, my blog has sent you, and then click confirm, and then you will be subscribed and you will get a notification every time I upload a new blog post. If you are new here to my channel, I would love if you subscribe, and if you are an old viewer or a new viewer, I would love if you hit the little bell button. To do that, you just click on that little bell button. It literally takes 2 seconds, and what that does is it just lets you know every single time I upload a new video, so you don't miss out any, because I do get people telling me that they have missed out on some vlogs that have disappeared from their subscription box. And then finally, I would love if you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will just get into today's video. So I'm going to talk about my weight loss. So for the last 5 weeks, since the 15th of March I think it was, I joined Slimming World. And Slimming World is a plan that you follow. It's kind of similar to like the Weight Watchers type scenario. You go to a weekly group, you weigh in, and then you sit down in class, and then they'll go through each person. If you've gained, they obviously don't tell people that you've gained. If you've lost, they tell you how much you've lost, and then you just discuss your week. It's a great way to get motivation for yourself. It's a great way to learn new ideas. But the plan I'm following is Slimming World. When you go, you get your Slimming World pack, and inside that pack there's a couple of different books, but the main one that you will be doing is this. It's the Food Optimizing book, and in here it explains exactly how the plan works. So basically, your food are split up into different categories. The majority of your fruit and veg are free food and speed. You can eat as much free food and as much speed as you want to during the day. Then your calcium is called a healthy extra A. Anything that's fiber like bread and cereals and nuts, they will be healthy extra Bs. And then everything else that's not a free food, speed food, healthy extras is called a sin food. And sins, you have to sin. And basically there is a value contained to that, that's a number of sins. So for instance, my butter, my 1 teaspoon of Lolo butter is 1 sin. You're allowed between 5 to 15 sins per day. It's up to you how many you eat, and they don't dictate to you how many you eat. You also, when you join, they ask you what's your goal weight. If you don't have a goal weight, you can just kind of set an interim weight, and once you hit that goal weight, you will be a target member. So I haven't set a goal weight. I have set an interim weight, which is 10% of my body weight lost. So that is what is in this book. It will guide you through step to step what the plan is. And then also this book I have found really good. Inside it there is an opportunity to set out your meal plan for 4 weeks and what you want to achieve for the next 4 weeks. So it's kind of like a mini goal thing. So you put in the date, a picture of yourself as you are now, your measurements on the day you started, where you want to be in 4 weeks, how much you've lost, and then it goes on to planning each week. So I ask you how much you want to lose in this week. Is there anything that's going to stop you? What's your body magic? And body magic is exercise. What you're going to do this week to hit your target for that you've set, a meal plan for the week, and then finally the last page on that week is what you've learned in group, and what made this a great week for you. So that's in your books. But onto my sort of stuff, that I started on the, also at the back of this book is where they write down your weight, and each weekly weigh-in you give your book and they'll write down your weight. So I started on the 15th of March, and since the 15th of March I've done 5 weigh days. So that's 6 weeks ago, but I've weighed in 5 weigh days, if you know what I mean. And in that 5 weigh days I've lost 8 pounds. So in 5 weeks I've lost 8 pounds, which is very good for me. And every week I've lost, even over Easter, which is really, really good. And I think what is an attribute to that is that I really enjoy my group. I tried this last year in the summer months, I'm pretty sure. I joined a group in my town, and I went, and I really disliked the group that was there. I just didn't find it motivating, and I found the leader, or the consultant, the Slimming World consultant, to be a little bit lackluster, you know. So I was contemplating. I quit after 12 weeks, I think it was, and in that 12 weeks I may have lost like 13 pounds or something. I was contemplating going back since January, but there was only that Monday group that I used to go to, and then a Wednesday group opened up, but then so many people started to attend that she said that she couldn't take on any new clients or people to go in. So now she's after starting a Thursday group in town, Thursday morning. Suits me perfectly. Ava comes along with me, and it's great. She's so nice. The people in the group are so nice, and it really makes such a difference in my weight loss that I want to stay in group, and I want to sit down and learn from the consultant and learn from the other people attending the group, because you do learn a lot from sitting in your image therapy is what it's called. It's basically where you sit down for your group. So Slimming World is what I've been doing. In that 5 weeks I've lost 8 pounds, and I'm feeling pretty motivated. I have a good plan. I plan out every week my breakfast, lunch and dinner. So today I sat down and planned out my next week, because I always do my shopping on a Friday. So today I've sat down, wrote out my breakfast, lunch and dinner for the week. Robert always eats the dinners because I don't make 2 dinners, and then he has his own breakfast and lunch that he eats himself. But it's going really, really well. So that's it, guys. I will talk to you soon. Bye.